Most people don't fail at losing weight because they're lazy. They fail because every diet they try makes their body fight back. You cut calories, you feel weak, you skip meals, you crave junk. It's exhausting. That's exactly where the smoothie diet changes the game. This isn't another don't eat this, don't eat that plan. It's a 21-day reset designed to nourish your body while naturally melting fat using delicious, filling smoothies that actually taste like real food. The idea is simple. Give your body the nutrients it's been missing so it can finally start working with you, not against you. The program includes over 30 recipes that taste amazing and keep you full weekly shopping lists so you never waste time wondering what to buy. A 3-day detox to kickstart your metabolism, a step-by-step plan for after 21 days, so results last, a 60-day money-back guarantee, which makes trying it completely risk-free. It's not about restriction. It's about giving your body what it needs to finally start working with you. Here's why people are raving about it. You lose weight naturally because your metabolism resets. Your energy skyrockets. No more midday crashes or constant fatigue. Your digestion improves, helping you feel lighter and more comfortable in your clothes. The recipes are easy and flexible, so you don't feel deprived. It's all digital, so you can start immediately without waiting for shipments. And here's the truth. You'll see results in as little as a week. Imagine waking up feeling lighter, energized, and confident. That's the kind of transformation this program delivers. Now, I know what you're thinking. I've tried diets before and failed. Will this really work for me? Here's the difference. This isn't a one-size-fits-all gimmick. It's structured, simple, and backed by people who have already done it successfully. And because it comes with a 60-day guarantee, if it doesn't work for you, you can get a full refund, no questions asked. So, if you've tried every diet out there and nothing has truly worked, maybe it's time to stop punishing your body and start nourishing it. The smoothie diet is your chance to do that, safely, naturally, and deliciously. Click the link in the description, explore the plan, and give yourself 21 days to feel like your best self again. Because you deserve to feel light, energized, and confident every single day.